In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the proper bleed procedure for this Buick Enclave. Let's get into it. We're going to start with the right rear brake caliper. Take the bleeder cap off. I'm just using a pick, using a 11mm wrench, go over the bleeder. Then I'm going to take a hose with a bottle, I'll slide it over. And with an assistant, I'm going to have them pump the brake pedal. Just take the cap off the bleeder screw. I'm just going to use a pick. Slide that off. And we're going to gravity bleed first using a 11mm wrench. Loosen that up. Just make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. I'm going to let some of the fluid come out first. Now it's dripping. I'm just going to close the bleeder. Just snug. Go ahead and pump the brake pedal. After 3 times, now hold it. While they're holding it, I'm just going to open the bleeder screw. See the fluid come out. Now I'll just close it. All right, go ahead and pump it. And hold it. That looks pretty good. One more time, go ahead, pump it. And hold it. I don't see any air, so that looks good. Snug this down. Take the hose off. Put the cap on. We can clean all this area up, any brake fluid that's dripping. And then after you road test the vehicle, double check, make sure there's no leaks. If there is, just snug it up a little bit more. Now we're on the left rear caliper, using a pick. Take the boot off, or the cap. 11mm wrench and the hose. You want to make sure there's plenty of fluid in the reservoir in between each time you're bleeding a caliper. Go ahead and pump the brake pedal. And hold it. Open the bleeder screw. Good, a little bit of air came out. Close the bleeder screw. Go ahead and pump the brake pedal. And hold it. Close the bleeder screw again. Go ahead and pump the brake pedal. And hold it. Open the bleeder. No air came out. Close the bleeder. Snug that up. That's good. Take the hose off. Put the cap back on. Now we're going to be on the right front wheel. Again, double check your brake fluid level. Pop this cap off. Put the wrench on. And the hose. Go ahead and pump it. And after 3 pumps, go ahead and hold it. Open this up. And close it up. Pump it. And hold it. Close up the bleeder again. Go ahead and pump it. And hold it. Open the bleeder. No air, looks good. Close the bleeder, snug that up. Take this off, put the cap on, and move on to the next one. Now we're on the left front. Take the cap off, put the wrench on, and the hose. Go ahead and pump the brake pedal. Again, double check the fluid level before you do this. And hold it. Open the bleeder. Then close the bleeder. All right, go ahead, pump it up. And hold it. Open the bleeder. Close the bleeder. Go ahead and pump it. and hold it. Open the bleeder. No air, looks good. Close the bleeder. Snug that up. Take this off. All right, you can go ahead and pump it up again. Just make sure everything feels good. And put the cap back on. After you're done, double check your brake fluid. Take the cap off and top it off with the appropriate type. Up to the fill line, it's good. Put the cap back on, double check your brake pedal, make sure it feels good, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.